Alright y'all, so I had to get up close and personal with you guys so that way we can get into this DIY lash extension tutorial. You guys, I'm going to be using the Veyes Beauty individual eyelash clusters. You guys, this is going to be my second time applying these lashes, and you guys, I love how easy it is to apply these lashes. When I tell you, you can probably do this in probably 10 to 15 minutes. 10-15 minutes, just depending on how fast you're moving. But you guys, I really love these. Like, I know it's only my second time wearing them, but I don't think I'm ever gonna go back to strip lashes again, like unless it's like a certain type of look. But for every day, this is definitely the way to go if you're a lash girly and you like to wear lashes all the time but just haven't gotten to actually getting professional lash extensions. I definitely would suggest trying this out. And I am gonna link my initial review that I did on TikTok as well, so that way you guys could just see how it was when I first applied them. So they do have all the instructions on the back, 4 easy steps to applying your lashes, removing them, applying the glue, applying them to the eyes, and then adding your sealant. So it's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and get into it. And this is what the kit comes with: your lashes, your bond and sealant, and your tweezers. And again, I just have the eyelash clusters in the numbers 16 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 10 milliliter, and 8 milliliter. Not sure if I'll ever even use the 8s at all, but this time I am going for a more natural look. The first time that I applied them, I did do like 2 layers of lashes to make them nice and full. So I don't know, I may just do 1 layer this time. We'll see. The first thing that I'm going to do, just to make my application a lot smoother this time, I'm going to go ahead and just take out like at least 2 lashes. And I started with the 16 millimeters on the outer corner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab 2 of the 16 millimeter lashes. I'm gonna take 2 of them and just place them right here on the cover of the lashes. So I got my spoolie brush, and I'm gonna take my makeup mirror just so I can see very up close to my lashes. And I'm just gonna take this spoolie. And I do have a lash comb, I just can't find it right now. So if you have a clean spoolie brush, you can use that as well. And I'm just doing this so that way I can brush through my eyelashes so that way there are no clumps or lumps in my lashes. And I also took out some more lashes. So I have 2 16s, 2 14s, and 2 12s. I'm going for like a natural cat eye effect. So that's why I have it going down in increments. And this is what the lash and bond sealant looks like a mascara. And I'm gonna take the bond side, and the bond side does look like a curved mascara wand. So I'm going to take that. This is what it looks like. Looks like a curved mascara wand. And I just like to make sure I have a generous amount of glue. And you're just gonna apply the bond as if you were applying mascara. I'm gonna get close so you guys can see. And if I feel like I'll need a little bit more, I'll grab a little bit more. Okay, so now that I have the bond applied to my liking, I'm gonna go in with the lashes, and I'm gonna grab my 16 milliliter lash first, and I'm just gonna make sure I'm looking up and placing it right on the outer corner of the eye. And I'm trying to like push the lash right underneath my lash line. And you do want to make sure you're placing the lashes very close together. Now I have two 16s on. Now I'm going to move on to the 14. Now I'm going to apply my second 14. And it's okay if that happens, if it just falls. Just don't panic. Try not to blink too much and reapply. And now I'm going to move on to the 12s. And now I'm going to apply my last 12, and I should have been timing myself because I'm pretty sure that was probably like 5 minutes. Okay, and this is what one eye looks like with two 12s, two 14s, and two 16s. And I'm just taking like the back side of the tweezers just to further reinforce that band and push it into the lashes. I see I got a bottom lash that's getting stuck. Okay. So now I'm going to take the lash seal side to go ahead and seal in those lashes. And on the instructions, it does say that you can seal it on the bottom and the top to make them waterproof. I am going to try that this time. Go, and I'm pretty much just going to tap the lashes. And try your best not to blink too much because you don't want to get this sealant in your eyes. And again, like I said, I'm going to take a little bit and go on top of my lashes too. And I do have a small fan handy, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn that on to help dry the sealant. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So this is what one eye looks like completely done. And we're going to move on to the other eye. Alright you all, here are the final results, and I did decide to add a extra layer of the eyelashes using the same exact steps. So if you do want to make them fuller, you would just apply another layer. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy eyelash extension tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your beauty besties so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin', and I'll see you guys in the next video.